Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is water cycle without color. So dear student, please open your art copy and ready your pencil and draw with me, and everyone should attentive at my class. Today's topic is water cycle without color. Water cycle is the way the water moves all around the earth as it changes its state. That's called water cycle. So now we draw the water cycle. First you draw like this a hill, river must, this is the river. This is also a river. Okay, then this is the land. You know how to draw a tree. Some grasses. This is the far village. If you want, you can use here any kinds of boat for clearly make us that is the river. Okay, and from river water is evaporate and vapor from the sunlight. So you must draw the sun. And the tiny droplets make the cloud for a this is the cloud, black. Wherever this is only draw by pencil without color, so you can use here the sketch like this by pencil. Okay, for clearness, and you can use here also pencil like this. But very softly, and then give the rain droplets. And if this is the river, rain droplets is put here. This is the main, and this is the main water cycle. Look at the board. First, this is the sun, and sun's light and heat evaporates the river's water and it makes clouds by tiny droplets from, and then drop a big droplet and make rain, and rain again mix with the water, the river water. This is the water cycle which moves all around the earth. So dear student, you must practice at your home this water cycle topic and do your SW at your SW copy and submit your SW at every 8 am to 4 pm. And everyone remember this, your SBA, CT and diary marks will depends on this water cycle. And dear student, you must practice more and more time at your home. Don't forget to practice. So thank you dear student, thank you for today.